Crispy and perfectly spiced on the outside and tender juicy meat inside is a perfect recipe for a fish fry. Hi, I'm Sarika Benjamin and welcome back to my channel Benji's Home Cooking. Today I bring to you the recipe of masala fish fry. This is an absolute delight. To make the masala fish fry, I have taken 600 grams of fish. I have just taken the center pieces. You can use any fish of your choice, absolutely whatever is available. Then for the masala, I have taken about 5 to 6 shallots or small onions, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, a small piece of ginger, a little bit of coriander leaves, 1 lemon. We are going to use juice from 1 entire lemon. Then for the spice powder, I have used 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri Chilli Powder. This is absolutely for color. For the spice, 1 teaspoon of regular chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of peppercorns. And we are going to grind all of this. So to make the masala, all we are going to do is add all the masala ingredients into the mixie jar and grind it along with the juice of 1 lemon and salt to taste. While grinding, we will add the juice of an entire lemon as well. This also helps in grinding the masala, so you don't need to add a lot of water. You can adjust the seasonings absolutely according to your taste. If you like spiced mixture, you can add a little more of chili powder. You can see it is a nice smooth paste, and we're going to apply this generously on all the pieces and make sure that both the sides are evenly coated with this masala. The best part about this recipe is you can adjust the spices and the flavors according to your taste. If you are somebody who loves extra spice, just feel free to add a little more of chili powder. And you can use this masala on any fish that is of your choice, whatever is available. So here I'm making sure that the fish is well coated, and I'm going to let it rest for at least an hour before we fry it. You can even put the masala and keep it overnight and then fry it the next day. So here the fish has been resting for over an hour, and now we're going to fry it. So to fry the fish, I have heated oil in a frying pan, and on a medium heat, once the oil is hot, we will start frying the fish. Make sure you don't overcrowd the pan so that you can turn the fish easily and it will prevent from sticking or breaking. Also, fish is a very tender meat, so it does not take very long to cook. So the frying might take about 7 to 8 minutes. Make sure that it gets well fried on both sides. You can see the masala is so well coated. I haven't used any artificial color, but yet the Kashmiri chili powder has added a nice tinge of red to the fish fry, and the flavors are awesome. The garlic, the ginger, the freshly ground masalas just taste fantastic in this recipe. More so, most of these ingredients are easily available in our kitchen, and you can see how beautiful our fish fry looks. The Kashmiri chili powder has given a nice red tinge to the fish, and the freshly ground masalas just take it to the next level. So it's such an easy and doable recipe. Likewise, I'm going to fry all the other pieces of the fish, and our fish fry is going to be ready in less than about 20 to 25 minutes. This is one of my favorite masalas because the fresh flavors just enhance the taste of fish fry. And to finish up, I'm just going to fry some curry leaves in the remaining oil from the fish fry. Just use it as a garnish. The crisp curry leaves adds an extra taste when you eat it along with fish fry. Eat it as a starter or enjoy it with hot dal rice or sambar rice, whatever food of your choice. This is an extremely easy and doable recipe. I hope you've enjoyed it. Do like, share and subscribe, and leave your feedback in the comment section. If there is any recipe you would be interested to learn, do let us know in the comment section and we'll try our best to bring it to you.